Hey guys, October 15, 2017, Lake Alatuna, and today I'm doing lake test of Mariner 40 horsepower motor 2-stroke made by Yamaha, 2-cylinder, 2 carburetors, no oil injection, short shaft, tiller, electric and pull start, and on the top of it tilt and trim, power tilt and trim I mean. Well, I'm doing a lake test and in a 1442 G3 aluminum flat bottom boat, and here you can see how scared I am. Well, I put just a few batteries here so I don't go too fast. And motor has 15 pitch stainless steel propeller. It performs flawlessly back home, and let's see how it does on the boat. And once again, this is not a speed test, this is just to show you guys how the motor runs. Well, start! I'm gonna trim it up just a little bit and full throttle at once. That's about right. Well, and this is how it runs. I'm quite proud of this one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye now.